Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on logging out of your Google account on Android. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down the settings and tap on Accounts and Backup. Tap on Manage Accounts. Now on the Manage Accounts page, tap on the Google account that you would like to log out of. Tap on Remove Account, then tap Remove Account again on the pop-up. Tap OK on the second pop-up, and then enter your phone's PIN or scan your fingerprint. You will now be logged out of that Google account on all Google apps, such as Gmail, YouTube, and Maps. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android tips and tricks.